Now we are having lunch at this Setia Kawan, famous place to have lunch in Makale. Let's see what food we have here. Oh. So this chicken. This one? Babi. This is a pork.
Ini kan pamarasan.
Ini sayur kastor aja, pangi namanya.
Oh.
Tapi ini ikan mas.
Oh, ikan mas.
Goldfish.
Goldfish. Okay.
Dan ini
Rica.
ayam rica.
This is the chicken, spicy chicken.
Ini ada dendeng kerbau ya.
Bakar.
Beef, jerky beef. Okay.
Kalau papillon itu dokter.
This is the fried. This is the grilled fish.
Belum.
Oh, pork cooked in the bamboo.
Papillon.
Papio.
Nama video.
Oh, this is a kitchen, the traditional kitchen. They use the charcoal to grill the fish. And they fry the fish here. Mana? Itu? This is the pork in bamboo. Namanya
Papillon.
papio. This is papio. Papio. Pork in bamboo. This is the jerky beef. Namanya
Dendeng.
Dendeng.
kerbau.
dendeng kerbau. Jerky beef. Ini nama
Sambal mata.
sambal mata. This is the sambal. They call it sambal mata. We are having lunch.
Traditional food Toraja.
Yeah,
Khas Toraja.
traditional food of Toraja. We are in Makale, so we are in Setia Kawan.
Setia kawan.
Yeah, one of the famous restaurant in Makale.
Kali.
Now we are in Rantepao, the northern part of Toraja. So we are having lunch now in Warung Pon Buri. So we are having pork for lunch. This is papillon, pork in bamboo. So this is the food.
So ini pamarasan. Yang hitam.
Okay, this pamarasan fish.
Ikan lele.
Oh,
Ini yang ikan mas ya tante.
ikan mas.
Ikan mas.
Ikan mas.
Ini yang daging impor.
Ini babi.
Ya, impor.
Oh, oke. Ini namanya apa?
Daging babi pamarasan.
Pamarasan pork. Ini is pork. Duduk mana? This is pamarasan babi, pamarasan pork. Ini apa? Ayam?
Ayam masak.
Ayam masak.
Bumbu tiga.
Ayam, this chicken. So in front of this restaurant, we have these people selling fishes.